Hi there, thanks for joining us on another edition of the Art Stage. We're here at the 2017 staging of Arts in the Park, so watch as we take you through a weekend filled with culture and entertainment.
Emotion, I can hear Jamaica calling, sweetly calling to me.
First it was music, literary arts and the spoken word. Then it was gospel and dance. And now, the focus is on the visual arts. The event was held over 3 days at 2 locations in Kingston.
And what we have been able to do this time around is to have the National Gallery, Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, the Edna Manley College, and private individuals who have private exhibition, art galleries and so on, to all come together and to be a part of Arts in the Park.
The idea behind Arts in the Park is to expose new and emerging talents to international intermediaries to further develop arts on the island. This year was no different. In addition to the Jamaica Biennial 2017, visitors and locals got to see previews of the Edna Manley College Final Year Visual Arts Show and glimpses of Style Week 2017.
This evening, it's not about speeches. It's about mingling and pressing flesh and just greeting each other and enjoying the good vibes.
For day 2, it was back to the National Gallery for its biennial exhibition, featuring 163 works of art from 91 artists.
This is actually the largest biennial we have had thus far. It's probably also the most diverse one. It's all a mix of all media, from the traditional to the very contemporary, old and young, new and established and so on. So it's a very healthy range of work.
The viewing public agreed.
I'm actually surprised. At first I was hesitant. I didn't want to come because I'm not an art person, but I was pleasantly surprised. There's a nice mix of, Jamaicanness with our culture and with fun.
This exhibit is really, really interesting for me. I actually viewed all the pieces. Really some thought-provoking stuff. I think my favorite one is the one about the different hair stories.
This is the best I've ever seen it. What interested me most was the one with the barrel, because they're talking about barrel children, and it's close to home for me because I was a barrel baby, kind of with the benefit of not losing my parents.
Day 2 also came complete with a workshop and a panel discussion aimed at developing the professional skills of young and emerging artists.
The workshops have been a fantastic opportunity to learn more about the art world. It has been a fantastic networking opportunity as well. And you get an opportunity to meet owners of galleries, so you have an opportunity to showcase your work to persons who can help you to grow your career in the field. So it has been wonderful.
The lawns of Devon House was the venue for the final day of Arts in the Park 2017, and by all accounts, it was a great success.
This is something that will continue to happen and continue to grow from strength to strength.
It is really about making music, art, dance, theater accessible to people.
We need more like this in Jamaica, honestly. Arts in the Park need to be like a Arts in the Park every month. Yeah, because it's giving us that exposure that we need as young artists to really explore, to bring out different ideas.
And that's how we close out the 5th staging of Arts in the Park. If you missed out on this beautiful weekend of activities, not to worry. The National Gallery of Jamaica has lots in store just for you.
We're having several major exhibitions coming up. One of a private collection, the Annabella and Peter Proudlock collection. We're also working with the British Council on an exhibition of the work of Graham Fagan, a Scottish artist, which will be later in the year. And then we hope to bring the Jamaica exhibition, which is an exhibition on Jamaican music and the culture that surrounds it, which is presently on view in Paris.